Can you see this weather? I have a blizzard. Today is Friday. I made a video on a Thursday and Wednesday. Now it's Friday. We have that much snow, so now I have to clean it once again. I don't know how long I have to clean it because this snow will continue tomorrow night. Right now is Friday morning, and you can see that how much snow I have. Now I'm going to start cleaning once again. Now it's clean my driveway, and see that I have to clean my car, not here because that is my clean driveway. So I'm going outside and clean it. That's better than mess up your driveway that already I cleaned it. You can see how much is snow in my
My neighbor, her name is Heather. Now she's cleaning in the snow. Men and women both are equal. See her, she's cleaning your driveway. She's cleaning. Here is Heather. Men and women both are equal. Look at here. Yes. No, it's okay. No, it's not. It's ice. Yeah, that's why I have to shovel it. I have it too, I run it. But then I think, okay, no. I had to shovel.